very nice on writing fast and playing volleyball. I like most playing volleyball. Then my father's name is Sitendra Mujawar. They are very good teacher. They are government teacher in Bagnisha Anambare. They are there, government teacher. My mother is housewife. My brother is getting education in BAMS in RAV College from Jat. My brother is there. I don't have any sister. We both are brothers, and we are also getting education in foundation batch. Foundation batch means we are cleared. That
Actually, Miss Mother sir make the one group is there. Named the foundation batch. This foundation batch means there is students who want to complete 10 all study in 9th standard. They are doing the foundation study. In foundation study, we are doing the maths 1, maths 2, science 1, science 2. Lot of easy chapters are there. Volleyball, cricket, kabaddi. Yeah. We are, and sir also playing with us. We are enjoying service. Yes. Sir are like our brother, younger brother. Elder.
Thank you, sir.
Much better when you visit there. We have one library over there where each and every individual gets the seats reserved for him.
मी आता या महिन्यात ट्रॅव्हलिंग नाही ना त्यामुळे वेलकम सर हो मला काय सरांनी फोटो या मंथमध्येच होते माझा मुलगा 10वीला आहे ना तेव्हा माझं ट्रॅव्हलिंग मिळालं 3 आठवड्यापर्यंत त्यामुळे मी माझे
Have you seen this? Those who seen you go first. We have seen this.